Hello, my name is Micah Wineflash. I'm one of the account managers here at Malili, and in this video we will be going over a first-time installation for Blackout. If you are looking for information on how to upgrade your existing Blackout version, or configure your agents on your Blackout instance, please view other videos in this series. Getting started, we're going to navigate to our Application Library in our Applications and Scripts tab in our Relativity instance. We're going to click on Upload Application, choose File, navigate to where our Blackout wrap is downloaded, choose the wrap, click Open, and after the file uploads, click the Save button. As this current instance already has a version of Blackout installed, we will be skipping this step as it's unnecessary. Once an application has been uploaded and saved, you will see it in your list of Relativity application. We navigate here to see which workspaces we have Blackout installed into. As it would be a fresh installation, this list would be blank. We would hit Install, hit the triple dot here next to Workspaces, and choose the workspace we wish to install the application to. Click OK, and then click Save. Once this has been done, Blackout will begin installing on that specific workspace. This can take some time depending on the speed of your instance. Once the installation has completed on the workspace, you will need to apply a license key to fully use Blackout. To do this, you will navigate to the Blackout tab in your Relativity instance, then to the Blackout Configuration subtab. There, you will see a button to Generate License Request. Click this to generate your instance license key request, and then copy that and email it to support@malili.com. Malili will supply a license key in response, and then you can paste the license key here where it says Apply License. Clicking this will open a new window where you can paste in the Blackout license. Once the instance license has been pasted into here, you can click Apply Blackout License. You will then be fully set up to use Blackout. I hope this video has been some help to you. If you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@malili.com.